Hello, my name is Christopher Moore, and this is my presentation for case study number 2. I was supposed to identify a company's identity, image, and reputation. I chose to identify the Coca-Cola's identity. And so first thing I did is I went over to the company website to get a better sense of what they represent. And for the identity, that's what the message is the company conveys, and so I'm going to focus briefly on the mission and vision. This is verbatim from the website. The mission is to refresh the world of mind, body, and spirit, and inspire moments of optimism and happiness through brands and actions, and to create value and make a difference. The vision, it's comprised of 6 different parts: people, portfolio, partners, planet, profit, and productivity. So people is inspiring each other to be the best we can be by providing a great place to work. Portfolio is offering the world a portfolio of drink brands that anticipate and satisfy people's different desires and needs. Partners is nurturing a winning network of partners and building mutual loyalty. Planet is to be a responsible global citizen and support sustainable communities. Profit, maximizing long-term value return to shareholders. And productivity is being highly effective. And for the image, the customer image, according to Edwards, which was from Innovation Enterprise Journal, said that Coca-Cola revamped their strategy to be inclusive to both the Coca-Cola philosophy of well-being and also to include a focus on the physical product with the slogan Open Happiness. The investor image, so they had a Q4 report released pretty recently, and they did not do well. The sales were down 10% for the year of 2018, and stock dropped 8%. And according to Wiener Broner, this is the worst trading day Coke has seen since 2008. And because reputation is the combination of all the images, I would say that reputation is pretty good with customers. Obviously, they do a lot with their mission and their vision, and they have a lot of, like you've seen the Super Bowl commercials about sustainability and oneness and everyone getting along. But recently, as of this year, their investor reputation has gone down a bit. So overall, good reputation for everyone, probably customer community, but not the best for investors. They do have a form of corporate advertising advocacy. Here's one example, one of many examples of how they are focusing on saving the planet. This billboard actually has plant life growing on it, absorbs air pollutants, and you can also see that they're partnered with WWF, which is an animal conservation group. They also have other advertisements talking about all the different ways that they focus on sustainability and corporate responsibility. They focus on environmentally friendly practices and have enrichment programs. For example, in the Middle East, the Ripples of Happiness program supports university students who want to be entrepreneurs. They also provide refugees with clean water. Their relationship with the media is pretty good. They haven't really done anything. I found like a couple really outliers. Nothing that really got a lot of public exposure, but there has been one instance, like the lawsuit with the vitamin water. Of course, that didn't really affect customer perception, but that's probably the most notable media relationship that they've had. And then I didn't think there would be this much ties to legislators, but they have made a lot of contributions to different political action committees. And let's see, so we have corporate, over $1 million, the federal, Political Action Committee was just shy of $500,000. General State PAC, $7,000. The Georgia Political Action Fund was $84,000, and the New York PAC was $38,000. And there was 2 or 3 other states, but they were like less than $5,000. And this is all just for 2018. Their social media presence, just for English social media. I mean, I didn't check like their Mexican or Arabic social media platforms, but Twitter has 3.33 million followers. Facebook, 107 million likes for their pages, which is the equivalent of followers. And then Reddit, they have just shy of 2,000 subscribers. Thank you.